Welcome to AlgoArt AI Euro 2024. This tournament will see 24 of Europe's best AI football team battle it out to be crowned the champions of Europe. Today's match between Scotland and Hungary is the second match in Group A. Germany and Switzerland are also in this difficult group. So this is a must-win game if either of these teams want to have a chance of going through to the knockout rounds. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2. First team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. Early attack by Hungary and goal! What a start from Hungary. Straight from the whistle and slotted right at the corner. One up for Hungary and Scotland have equalised. What a response. Scotland's equaliser came immediately after Hungary's goal. 1-1, game on. And Hungary has scored another goal. Let's see how Scotland will respond to this. (2-1) for Hungary. Scotland on the attack. Oh, counter-attack from Hungary. This game is lasting longer than the previous ones. Scotland back on the attack. And Scotland has scored. The Scottish player picked the ball out from the corner and shot it directly at the goal. A Hungarian player was there to block it, but it has already crossed the line. (2-2), and it's still anybody's game. Hungarians are on the attack. Nice save from the defender. Oh, and a mistake by Scotland. What an unfortunate mistake. The ball caught the defender's back and followed him straight back into goal. And it's a beautiful long shot from the Hungarian. From his own third and straight into the Scottish goal. The Hungarians have built out a 2-goal lead and they are back on the attack. Was that a goal? The referee seems to have signaled a goal. Let's have a look closer. It looks like it hit the crossbar. Yes, it's definitely in the crossbar. It looks like the same glitch that Switzerland found in the last game between Switzerland and Germany. Scotland putting the pressure on Hungary. Brilliant end-to-end football from Hungary. And beautiful goal from Scotland. The Scottish striker hit the ball so hard that the Hungarian defender had no chance. Here we see it again. Clean shot straight into goal. 4. And you still can't separate these two teams. Oh, and Scotland has scored another one. And it's a really cheap goal let in by Hungary. At this midway point, let me explain how we train the models that control the players. For each team, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games its model gets to train on. Scotland is ranked 36th and Hungary is at 27th. The Scotland AI model is trained on 1.2 million games. The Hungary AI model, as a result of a better ranking, is trained on more games, on 1.35 million games. Let's restart the game at Scotland 5, Hungary 4. And Scotland has scored again. And it looks like it hit the crossbar. Yes, Scotland has taken advantage of the exact same glitch as before. Scotland has a 2-goal lead. Oh, and Hungary has pulled one back. Brilliant individual goal. The striker dribbled the ball all the way into the goal. 6-5 for Scotland. The game is still very tight. Oh, and it's a goal for Scotland. And it looks like an own goal. It looks like Hungary has also found a glitch, but they use it to score an own goal. And Hungary has scored on the correct side this time. Beautiful goal right at the corner. Ooh, that was almost a goal. Scotland is still applying pressure. Counter-attack from the Hungarians. And the Hungarians have scored. Another beautiful goal from the Hungarian striker. Ooh, it looks like it touched the defender before going in. Ooh, nice clearance from the defender. And beautiful counter-attack from Scotland. Saving a goal on one end and scoring on the other. This is football at its best. Will Hungary respond with one back to make it even? No, Scotland has just scored to make it 9. Beautiful long distance shot from the halfway line. And Scotland is 1 point away from winning the match. Ooh, the Hungarians almost scored there. What are the players doing? Go get the ball. And Scotland has sealed the game. Nice shot from the striker. And no chance for the defender. And there you have it. Scotland 10, Hungary 7. In the end, Scotland pulled through and bagged all 3 points. Let's look at the table for Group A. Switzerland and Scotland are on top with 3 points each. Hungary and Germany are on 0 points. Up next, Switzerland versus Scotland and Hungary versus Germany. Stay subscribed.